Hello everyone, my name is Franciscus Ikon. My number ID 2310417989. It is pleasure to stand before you today to talk about a truly inspiring figure in our learning journey, Adi, our business English teacher. Now, when most people think of business English, they imagine boring textbooks, long lists of technical vocabulary, and endless grammar drills. But Adi has shown us a different path. He has brought life into to our classroom by using one of the oldest and most powerful tools of communication, storytelling. Proud, he is creative and passionate teaching style. He doesn't just teaches us how to speak or write in English for business. He teaches us how to connect, how to understand context, and how to tell our own stories in with confidence and clarity. Today, I would like to share with you how telling has transformed our learning experience and how Fadi I has made business English not only understandable but unforgettable.
Selamat siang Pak Adi, saya Franciscus Iko. Siap menjawab soal ujian Bapak. Semoga saya bisa melakukannya dengan baik. Dari awal semester kita belajar bahasa Inggris bisnis dengan kita. Dari CEO sampai pelanggaran semua jadi bagian kisah nyata. Pak Adi, jantungku bergetar sangat terpagum sekarang. Kamu presentasi yang pintar, tapi karena sudah hitam, pas setiap minggu saya yakin bisa lalu deg-degan seribu. Gramatik sampai vokabulari dibuat mudah lewat storytelling. Dari drama sampai ke seru, kelas berapa paling asik di kampusku. Adi, oh Pak Adi, ujian minta kukurati sendiri. Semangat teman dan ilmu dari Bapak jadi bekalku. Jawab soal tanpa takut dan galak, Adi. Selamat siang Pak Adi, saya Franciscus Iko. Saya menjawab soal ujian bahasa Inggris Bapak. Semoga saya bisa melakukannya dengan baik. Tarik sis, semongko.
Enggak. Adi teaches us business English through storytelling. Learning business English can often feel overwhelming, filled with technical terms, formal expression, and structured communication, but in our class it feels different. Why? Because our favorite lectures Padi has a unique and engineering way of teaching us through storytelling. Padi believed that language is not just a set of rules, but a living, breathing tool for communication. From the very first session, he taught us business English is not just about writing emails or memorizing vocabulary. It's about understanding the story behind the words. Every week, Faadi introduces a new business theme such as marketing, negotiation, and entrepreneurship, our customer service. But instead of jumping directly into grammar and formal pieces, he starts with a story. Sometimes it's a fictional narrative about a young entrepreneur facing business challenges. Other times, he shares real life case studies with colorful character and plot twists. One of our favorite stories was about Lina, small business owner who started to sell her handmade product online. Through Lina journey, we learned not only new vocabulary like profit margin, supply chain, and target audience, but also how to use them naturally in conversing session and writing. Faadi also encouraged us to create our own stories. In English, we roleplay as CEO, marketing managers, and customer service representatives. Those creative sessions help us practice business dialogues in realistic scenarios while improving our fluency and confidence. More than just a teacher, Padi is a mentor and motivator. He always reminds us that mistakes are part of the process and that telling our story, no matter how simple, is the first step to mastering English.
Lebih keras. Turun kamu cepat.
Di awal kami duduk di kelas ini, bahasa bisnis tampak rumit dan sunyi. Istilah formal, aturan yang panjang membuat hati ini jadi bimbang. Hadirlah Bapak dengan senyuman, mengubah segalanya dengan cerita. Kisah bisnis jadi hidup dan nyata. Kami pun belajar tanpa rasa takut. Pak Adi, kau ajarkan kami dengan hati lewat kisah penuh makna tentang mimpi dan usaha. Kini grammar bukan beban, kosakata jadi teman. Nah, Bapak ajarkan dengan cinta dan cerita. Dari Lina sang pejuang kecil hingga Ceo yang hampir jatuh, kami pelajari semua pelajaran lewat cerita penuh harapan. Pak Adi, Bapak bukan hanya pengajar, tapi mentor dan sahabat yang membimbing kami, bahkan sampai kami ragu. Bapak bilang terus maju, rasa Inggris kini jadi kisah hidup kami. Terima kasih Pak Adi cinta untuk semua kisah dan makna yang tak pernah kami lupa.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the end this talk, I hope we all remember this learning is not just about information. It's about inspiration through his creative use of storytelling. Paddy has shown us that even complex subjects like business English can be engaging, relatable, and deeply human. He didn't just teach us vocabulary of grammar, he taught us how to communicate it meaningfully, how to express our ideas confidently, and most importantly, how to find our own voice in a global language. So let us carry forward the lesson we learned not just in our exam but in our lives and future careers. Because in every business, behind every brand and inside every message, there's always a story waiting to be told. Thank you, and may we all continue learning with purpose and passion.